You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is a name that is most generally used in Spanish-speaking countries, Spain, Mexico, Latin America. Spanish pronunciation, therefore, is as Manolo, Ma-no-lo. Stress on the second syllable, the no syllable, Manolo. In English, it's usually pronounced as Manolo, Manolo, or in Spanish again, Manolo. Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Did you get it? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.